What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the slow keyboard response problem on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Accessibility tab. In the Accessibility window, scroll down and select Keyboard. In the Keyboard section, scroll down and under Use Filter Keys, make sure that the switch is toggled off. This will solve the slow keyboard response problem in most cases. However, if this doesn't work, go ahead and try the following method. Use the Windows key and R shortcut to open this Run dialog box. Type in Control Keyboard and click on OK. The Keyboard Properties panel will appear. In the Speed tab, slide the Repeat Rate slider to its maximum limit. Apply the change and click on OK. If this also doesn't fix your problem, then try this next method. Go to your Start menu search and type Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Your command prompt will open up. Here, enter the command dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health and hit enter. You can copy this command from the description below. This operation will take some time depending upon your system configuration. Once the process is complete, your problem will be solved. If this method also doesn't work for you, then go ahead with this final method. Open up your Start menu and search for Device Manager to open it up. In your Device Manager, look for Keyboards and make sure to expand it to preview your previously or currently connected keyboards. Right-click the keyboard listed and click on Update Driver. You will get two options: Search automatically for drivers and Browse my computer for drivers. Select the first option. This will install the updated keyboard drivers. Click on Close when you're done. This will probably fix the slow keyboard response issue on Windows 11. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.